People overestimate what they can do in a year, but people underestimate what they can do in a decade. It's crazy how much you can do within 10 years. Right now, we are heading in Pacifica, the hidden gem of San Mateo County. Ed and I have a listing here in 1546 Terra Nova in Pacifica, and it's a 4-bedroom and 2-bath. It's a fully renovated property and stage. It's one of those properties that we're gonna sell as is. So we're here to check it out before the photography comes in, along with 3D Matterport and 2D. And we're excited to put this property on the market tomorrow. So we're just doing a checkup, talk to the sellers, give them a game plan how it's gonna work, what's gonna happen. Perfect for an end user who wants to renovate their property their own way in terms of color schemes and finishes that they choose, because the property needs TLC cosmetically.
So you lived in Pacifica first and then moved to Daly City?
No, I lived in South City first.
Okay.
South San Francisco first when I moved here from the Philippines.
Okay.
I had some relatives and a family who lived in South San Francisco, so we all lived together. Then after that, we collectively, a family, we purchased a property in Pacifica. Background story in Pacifica, it's a 3-bedroom and 2-bath. There was, I think, 15 of us who lived there. I used to sleep in the floor.
During the retreat, even in the last video I made you talked a lot about like reflection. How is reflection a factor to your success?
How do you connect the dots moving forward? Anyway, you piece things together based on your experience. You know what I like to do when reflecting? I go to iPhone photos. I just go 5 years, 6 years back. You just look at that. Oh man, that puts me in a different level of appreciation of life. You're dealing with day-to-day stuff, right? I woke up at 4:30 this morning. Dude, it's almost 3 o'clock, for Christ's sake. I've been up for like almost 12 hours. You're like skipping hours because you're always in the zone of working or making things happen or thinking. And it's great, don't get me wrong, right? I wouldn't have it any other way. But a lot of times we forget how far we've come, how far you've come. Can you imagine, yourself looking back 10 years ago? I think it's gonna get you into that emotional state. People overestimate what they can do in a year, but people underestimate what they can do in a decade. It's crazy how much you can do within 10 years.
Hey guys, I'm John, founder of Focus Media, and right now we're here at Terra Nova and I'm doing the listing media for this property. Right now I'm just doing a little quick 3D scan to get the floor plan ready for the home. So I'm just going around, scanning all the walls, making sure everything's all accurate so that we can make a floor plan out of this.
This is Ed with Kinetic Real Estate. I met Kevin actually through Instagram. I've had my real estate license since 2016, but I was in a different industry and I never really did residential. But when the pandemic happened, things kind of changed. So between 2020, 2021, I was kind of going back and forth with what I wanted to do. And in 2021, I knew that it was always in the back of my mind to just try residential real estate. Like I had my license, so why not put it to use? With no expectation if I was gonna do well. I was kind of just like, if I did residential real estate and I was able to close like 6 to 10 homes, like I'm gonna be good. I think that'll be fine. The way that I met Kevin was at that time I was looking for a team to join. I literally searched up like the Bay Area realtor and he popped up, and then I stalked like the entire Kinetic team for like a good couple of days, and when I DM'd him he called me back right away, and then we met up in the office and I joined Kinetic right away after that. Yeah.
That's awesome.
We're gonna go to one of our projects in San Mateo. That's also a fixer. Super excited for that one and to see what the progress has been. Tommy, what's in now in terms of, obviously like as realtor, the guidance that we give a lot of sellers is the top 3 things that are going to be like, I guess the fastest to fix that will give them high value is like, flooring, lighting, and paint. Would you agree with that? And I guess, what are people looking for?
You are right about those things. Like painting is like always the quickest way to like get the most value from the house. Everyone wants to see like a nice house, like clean house. Like when you live in the house for a while, the wall get dirty. Like sometimes the color that you use before it's already like faded or like oxidizes, yellowish. New coat paint will bring out the freshness of the whole house. The next thing is like flooring. You see throughout the whole house. So wherever you go, you will see like flooring everywhere.
After those things are done, if they had a limited budget and they only wanted to renovate a part of their house, maybe the master bedroom or the kitchen or the master bath, what would you recommend first?
The next thing is bathroom. Especially the primary bathroom, because like you are the home buyers. The home buyer, they pay the money for that, right? So they want to live somewhere nice. You want to create an attachment or emotional trigger for the buyer. So you have to have something that trigger the emotion in the buyer.
I think this is really interesting because if we look here, the main part of the home leads into this bedroom and then like it goes out here. What do you kind of see us doing here?
It took me a while to like figure out like how, because like to keep the value of the house, you want to maximize the number of bedrooms. But like if you but this is only access to the backyard. So I was like thinking, how do I do that? But then like took me like a couple weeks to understand, figure it out. So the solution is like for each of the bedroom, we'll convert that into have its own patio door, so it can go out from their own. So that
nice.
We can still like having this sunroom from this room, but people still have access to the backyard.
Got it.
Like on their own room rather than have to go to this bedroom, which make it like no one wants to get their privacy invaded.
Got it. So this is going to be like kind of
entertainment,
like a sunroom is what it is. But in the other rooms, like that one is a room.
Yes.
There's gonna be an outside access.
Yes. Like this was like a struggle that we tried to figure out. Initially, we didn't think about it, so we just install the new window on there.
Got it.
But now we're gonna take the new window out, use this for another project, and then install the patio door. That way,
nice.
They have access to like the
backyard. Yeah.
Yeah.
Got it. And this would still be, of course, a bedroom.
Still be its own bedroom.
Its own bedroom. Yeah, with this access here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Another thing you would notice is like we try like the more we can save, the better. So for example, in this case, you can see like we keep the hardwood floor. Because like, if we took it out, it would cost like money to demo, money to throw trash away. And
Got it.
Because this is a hardwood floor, so like when you remove it, there's like thousands of nails.
Got
to
it.
hammer it down. So just keep it and then just put like a new flooring on top of it.